Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're loaded and running, and if you don't know why that's such a big deal, go back and watch the last video. Yeah, 3 days in Thailand. Anyway guys, I'm not going to go through that again. I just want to get it back into Malaysia, and I'll speak to you down the road a bit. Well, just the world showing me I can't have everything my own way. It's pouring with rain, but I'm still going to be heading into Malaysia, guys. Yeah, I've got to go, really. So, I'll speak to you in Malaysia. Well, guys, in Malaysia. That was a weird couple of days, but it's all over now. It's all part of the adventure. I only did 2 hours today, which was my plan, but I'm glad it was my plan because it's pouring. You've probably even got rain on the lens, I think. Hang on. Whoop, hello. Yes, that's better. I'm just trying to find a money changer or an ATM, and then I might get some lunch or something, we'll see. But off into the rain I go. Well, I've got about 50 US worth of Thai baht, so I'm just going to go for a wander, see if I can find a money changer. The banks don't know where there's one, so I'm not thinking I'm going to be very lucky. But for now, I'm just going to wander, maybe have a snack. I'm not very hungry, but I wouldn't mind maybe a coffee, or we'll see. Oh guys, I found this food hall. I do feel like a Luxor, but how do I choose which stall to buy Luxor from? Because there's 3 that I've seen. I think I'll go to the first one. Oh, so much yummy smells in here, so much good food. I think we'll go to this one actually. Seems to be the most people standing around. Oh guys, this is a very different looking Luxor. Tastes pretty good though. Pretty yummy. Food everywhere here guys. But it is Malaysia.
Yes, Luxor.
It is Malaysia. Malaysia love their food. Well guys, that food shop that I was in earlier said I'd had dinner there. I just noticed across the road here, they've got a food festival on, so I'm going to go there and have a look. I will have breakfast at this place tomorrow. But let's go and see what they've got at the food festival. In the north of Malaysia, guys, and you find churros. I'm not after sweet now though. I'm looking for something savoury, but guys, there's so much food here. I've seen a noodle dish up there that I like the look of. Let's see what else we can find. There's food everywhere. Oh look, little crabs. What else? Oh, now here we've got some beef. Oh, these are all these soups. Oh, yum. But I had soup for lunch, so let's see what else is around the corner. All the dried fruits, guys. Yum, they look amazing. What have we got here? Oh, corn dogs, all the little different seafoods on sticks. Oh, wow. What have we got here? Sausage, I think. Oh guys, there's so much food. I'm going to wander around because I could be showing you this for ages. Oh, look at this. Chicken wings. Oh, chorizo. You know what? I might get a chorizo. Can I get one?
Yes.
How much? For one?
Yes.
Oh, darn. It's almost, it's well over $1 US for one sausage. That's a bit much. Right guys, I'm going to turn the camera off now because I'm just wandering around and not saying anything. So I'll turn it on when I decide what I'm going to eat. Well, sadly guys, it's really expensive here. Hello! Really expensive. Yeah, subscribe my friend. It's my YouTube. Subscribe.
YouTube. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, very expensive, guys. And I guess these people are just here once a week trying to make a living, but everything was very, very expensive. I had a shawarma at Sunway the other day that cost me about 7 ringgit, I think. These guys wanted 13 ringgit, so that just shows the difference. And I'm not even really that hungry, so we might give it a miss. Well guys, we're all loaded up, ready to go. Probably to Jelly today on the way to the East Coast. Now the East Coast is pretty much shut down. Hello, how are you? Here, this is my YouTube channel. You will be on YouTube around Christmas time.
Oh, okay.
I'll make sure that this video gets on there. Okay, subscribe, tell all your friends. So yes, the East Coast pretty much shut down because they get all the monsoonal rains from China this time of year, but we may as well head there and have a look. We'll be able to find hotels and things. I think I'll get to Jelly today, but that all depends on the weather. I'm in no hurry. I've got another 18 days, I think, till I head back to Perth. Let's hit the road, go and find some breakfast first. So, I made it here to eat at last. Ordered a couple of roti here, guys. And got a comfy seat. There's Libby over there, just waiting to hit the road. The weather's looking pretty good for now, but we'll see in the next hour or two. If you remember at Changi Airport, guys, when I was in the airport lounge, they had this little robot picking up all the empty plates and things. Well, this robot's actually doing deliveries. All the drinks, they just stick it on here, tell them the table, and it goes to that table. Here we go, we can watch. I was going to say I'd show you the next time, but here we go. He just puts in the table number, and away she goes. What a world we live in, guys.
Semoga hari anda indah. Semoga berjumpa lagi. Selamat datang ke nasi kandang SME Amin. Semoga hari. Halo, saya Aminah. Selamat menjamu. Saya akan teruskan saudara saya.
What a time to be alive. My normal roti, but really, really good. The owner of the restaurant stood and talked to me the whole time I was there. Friendly, friendly people. So, now we're on the road to Jelly. And I just fueled up, all ready to go. I bought a sugar-free 100 plus. You get these everywhere in Malaysia. And I just realised it tastes just like sugar-free L&P. Kiwi friends will know what I'm talking about. So, change of plans. The whole East Coast is going to be like this, and I don't want to spend the next 2 weeks riding in the rain, so I'm going to head back to Georgetown. It looks like the weather's not so bad there, and I'll plot a route through central Malaysia. Hopefully it won't be so wet. It is the rest of 20 minutes west. Out of the rain, so I think I made the right decision. So I'm going to book a hotel, same hotel I was at in Georgetown before. What's the date today? I have no idea. What is the date? Right, I took a bit of a wrong turn, which I do a lot in Malaysia. These motorways are a feat of engineering, but they're really confusing on Google Maps. Google Maps gets really confused here. Just taking me to the ferry. It's not even a car ferry, it's just a passenger ferry. And if you remember in the Georgetown videos, a couple of videos ago, I had heaps of trouble just getting on the bridges, so yeah, Google Maps gets very confused in this town. Oh, this is Penang, Georgetown across the border. And I'm doing another big tour of Penang, trying to find my way across. There's 2 bridges, as we saw in the other videos. after my 2 visits to Georgetown, I've managed to do it again. I've cleared out every shop of soda water, so I'm going down here to the original place. Hopefully he's got some more since I've been away. We shall see. Oh gosh, this is kind of like a little India really. There's a lot of Indian restaurants, a lot of Indian silk stalls trying to sell you pashmirs and things that are... Hello my friend.
How are you, sir?
Oh, pani puri.
Yes.
Oh, how much?
5 ringgit per packet, sir.
Okay, I might come back, thank you.
Thank you.
And pani puri. So I'm just going to check up here guys. I'm just waffling again. You've had a bit of a look around this street. Hey guys, food really doesn't excite me the way it does other people. It's just a fuel for me to get through the day. So I don't really show food in my vlogs, which I should do more of. People tell me I should do more of. But guys, I just had a burger bagel here at Joja's Bagels. It was the best burger I've had in Asia, without a doubt. It's really hard to find a good burger in Asia. But yeah, here was it. It was really amazing. I'm pretty sure I'll come back here for my lunch tomorrow. And guys, I just wanted to say on camera that that really was the best burger I've had in Asia. It was amazing. It's really hard to find a good burger in Asia. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
Well guys, that was a different couple of days. Oh yeah, Jojo's. This is my hotel here, the Hotel Bishop, and Jojo's is just up the street on Bishop Street. That was a pretty different couple of days. Back in Malaysia, I thought I'd be in Thailand. But anyway guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.